Alright guys, so for this ramen, we're gonna need your choice of your favorite noodles. We're gonna need seaweed chips. We're gonna need 3 eggs. We're gonna need some Naruto maki. And usually this ramen is made with pork, but we're gonna be doing chicken broth with half a chicken, green onions, some pickled bamboo shoots, soy sauce, mirin, sesame oil, some brown sugar, last but not least, chopsticks. Step 1, rinse off your noodles, get some water boiling, pop your eggs in the water. Okay, you're gonna take your mirin, sesame oil, soy sauce, brown sugar, or any type of sugar, throw that together and whisk it. Okay, after about 6 minutes, take your eggs off, drain them. And then you're gonna throw them in an ice bath. Cool, then you're gonna peel your eggs, you're gonna throw them in your wash, let them sit there, flip them around every couple minutes. Cool, so we got our bamboo shoots, rice vinegar, and some sugar in there. Go ahead and mix that all up, and you let that marinate. Got our maki defrosting, water boiling, noodles are ready to drop. Noodles are close to being done, so we're gonna warm up our broth. So my ramen came with some pre-packed seasoning. Just gonna go ahead and throw that in there, let it simmer up. Then you're gonna wanna slice up your green onion. All right, so we brought that sauce to a light simmer, threw them in there, let them get the brown, turned it off, waiting for our broth to boil. We got our green onions chopped up, pickled bamboo ready to go. And then we're just gonna cut these in half. All right, guys, so we got our eggs split open. We got our chicken shredded down. We got our bamboo, and then we got our maki. We're gonna go ahead and slice our maki. Want like a 1/4-inch slice. Noodles are done. And the broth looks almost ready. Wow. Are you ready? Yummy. All right, guys, so ramen is done. Go ahead and pour this all up in there. Ooh, yeah. Woo! It's a little bit too much broth. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put our eggs up in here. Ooh, delicate. Very delicate. Chicken right there on the side. Seaweed chips right here. We have some maki right here, Naruto maki. Green onions. And last but not least, our pickled bamboo. Alright guys, so here we have our Naruto Ramen, Ichiraku Ramen. We got our bamboo chopsticks. Tell me what you guys think. Let me know.